So these trays are very useful things to have around the house. And what I've done is I've written a parametric design script for it. So it's very easy to use. There's a couple of parameters. Now I've specified here 230 by 230, which would basically fill the board plate of my printer. There's your height of your tray. So if you change that and you re-render, it becomes deeper like that. If you want to have only one row, you do that. And if you want lots of thin rows, you do that. That's maybe a bit much. Let's make that 25 and re-render like so. So that's your tray. Now let's just put that back to a sensible number, something people would use. That's possibly even a bit much. Let's make it 6. Like so. F5. Keep hitting enter. If you want that, I'll stop doing that. To come out like that. So you got 6 in the X and 3 in the Y. And it's so quick and easy to generate this for you. And whatever size you want it in. If you wanted it smaller, you could do that. Or you could do that. And it simply becomes smaller. So there's no hard work doing CAD design and so on with this project. And then it's all nicely radiused and so on. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this video. Thank you very much. I'll put this up on Thingiverse where you can download this file, and the instructions are there as well if you need them. So take care, have an awesome day further, and I shall see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.